Hi, hello, welcome back to Coupons. Today I'm going to review the Realme 11 5G smartphone. In the box we have a premium nice design, and these are the main features of this mobile. This mobile comes with a 100 megapixel pro light camera as well as dynamic ultra smooth display, and it comes with a super VOOC 16 watts charging, 5000 mAh battery, and it comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus 5G chipset for better performance. Let's unbox the device. Let's quickly unbox the device. And keep it aside. And this is the pouch. Along with this we have a pouch and ejectation. This is the pouch, you can see here. Just keep both of them, keep it aside. And we have a device over here, and we have a charger over here. It comes with a this is the super VOOC, so switching power supply and modeling, and it comes with a input was 1000 to 240 volts and output was 5 volts. And this is the complete review about this. Almost like a OnePlus, most of the BBK electronics chargers looks like this only. And this is the 80 volts super VOOC charger and placed aside. Along with the inbox we have a cable. This is the cable, you can see here. And now is coming about the device. Now quickly take the cover. Now this is the mobile phone which we are going to review. Before reviewing that, I am going to show you few things about this. On the left side of this device, we have a like a sim tray. By entering the sim exit we can take out the sim, as well as we have a round like a metal frame, and this metal frame looks very premium and it was shiny finish. And back side we have a two main camera, one is 108 megapixel and one is 2 megapixel camera. And also we have a flashlight over here, and we have a like a shiny back design. It's look premium. And how this mobile looks over here. And coming to the right side of your mobile, we have a volume rocker up and down, and as well as we have a power button. Just going to switch on the power. And front side we have a main camera over here. Previously I took some designs. Now designs are not that great, but it's okay. And I didn't check the gaming performance, and upcoming video I'm going to check the gaming performance. This comes with the powered by the Android. Let me check more feature for you, and just switch on the mobile. After that, let me check the settings, how it looks. Go to about phone, about device, and this device comes with a Realme UI 4.0 and official version of 72.66 MB. And it comes, the device name is like a Realme 11 5G, and it comes with a 128 GB storage. And the processor model name is like MediaTek 6100, as well as it comes with 5000 mAh type battery, and coming to screen size 17.07 centimeter. And coming to RAM, it comes with the 8 GB RAM. You can it can be extendable up to 4 GB, like it can be act as a 12 GB RAM. And front it has a 16 megapixel main camera, and rear camera is 108 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Let's check the devices. These are the main device specifications. And coming to the camera, we have so many features in camera, like a street, night mode, street mode, it's like everything we have in this device. Photo mode, portrait mode, 108 megapixel quality. 108 megapixel only just for only taking pictures, and more options are that we have a pro mode like a panorama mode, filmy mode, and slow motion, time lapse, dual video, and text screen, and tilt speed. These are the more options they are available in this camera setting. These are the main features of this device. These are like it's a 5G smartphone. It's a 5G smartphone, and the mobile is little bit like heavy compared to it's like a 6.7 inch, almost 6.7 inches, 6.8 inch device. Is the mobile is little bit heavy, like not in the sense of weight compared to the weight is was moderate weight, not too much heavy weighted, but not too heavy weighted, not light weighted, but it's like a reasonable weight, I think so. Compared to other mobiles, like it's not too heavy, weighted. And this is the like a, according to I don't know about price change. Mobile is like a slim sleeky. If you are not happy with a big phone, don't go with a phone. This is the slot is a big phone. If you are interested in small phone, try another phone. This is a very big phone, almost like a 6.7 inch. That's what. And overall performance, let's try. Like I didn't do any performance test, that's what I'm not telling about performance of this mobile. Once again I'm telling, it's a 5G smartphone, it's a MediaTek chipset. I hope this is a complete review about this mobile. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to Copenjas for more such videos. Thank you, have a nice day.